In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Google Drive and share a link. So it's actually really easy. You just need to head over to your browser and then go to drive.google.com. Once you're on your drive, just head over to the part wherein you want to actually add this. For example, let's create a new folder wherein we can actually add this. Now let's name this videos. Now onto this newly created folder, you can add in here the actual video that you want. You can head over to your actual local explorer and then find the video that you want to add. I have in here this video. You can just select the video that you want and then drag that right here into your Google Drive. Another option is to click onto this new option and click onto this file upload and then locate the specific file that we have added. Once the upload has been complete, you can now share the link. Just click onto the file. Then from there, you can see this icon, which is the copy link option. Another option is to click onto these three dots for the more actions. Click on share, then click onto the share again. And then this should be able to open right here, this access editor. Change the access to anyone with the link. You can also change the viewer, commenter, editor, and then copy the link, and you should be able to send it to people. So that's how you upload video on Google Drive and share link. Hope we helped.